Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we started off with the concept of monitoring your fabric environment using the Fabric Capacity Metric app. Well, that's an excellent tool. As a fabric administrator, you can use to monitor your activity, your CPU, your throttling, your operations, and all activity going on in your fabric environment to see if you are cost effective, you're using your resource within your budget. And of course, it will tell you if there's a need to adjust your capacity as your load or workload in your environment increases or decreases. But this time, we want to focus on how you can monitor current activities within your fabric environment. Well, you can do that using what we call dynamic management views. Well, in this fabric training workspace, I've got a very small, what we'll call a small, very small a data warehouse created. And in here, we want to look at a number of the DMVs that we can use. Well, in particular, I want to focus on three. First one is a DM underscore exec underscore connections. And this one, or DMV underscore connections that we have in here, it helps you or returns information about your data warehouse current connections, and we can do so by just let's put it into the canvas and see what it returns for us. I will just say select star, and from that and run what comes out for us. Well, it will give you current connections that is taking place within your data warehouse activity. All right. Now you can also use other ones that we can use. The second one is the sessions. The DMA sessions, you can also use that to look at your current activities that you have in there. As you can see there, I'm just going to take this one out, the connections one. Now, the second one we did mention is sessions, right? I'm going to insert that in there. And let's look at what it returns for us. Well, this one actually returns information about authenticated sessions in your data warehouse. So that's a useful one, another DMV that you can use. And the third one that you can use is related to request, the current request that you have in your data warehouse. And that one, as you can see highlighted there, DM exec request also returns information about active request within your data warehouse. Now let's imagine you take, for example, you want to find details about active requests in your current data warehouse ordered by the duration for which they have been executing. It might be very useful to identify long-running queries that could benefit from optimization. Now, I'm going to run a sample script here, which sort of capture, as you can see on the screen, sort of capture the current sessions, the login name, the command, the start time, and the total time. If I run this, let's look at what comes out for us. Well, there isn't much in here, but as you can see, it gives us an idea, what is being used here and what is not. So it gives us the active connections and the users, and it really returns that activity for you. So this gives you an idea what it can use to monitor your current activity within your warehouse, fabric warehouse. All right. Well, if you find this video useful, again, feel free to click on the like button or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video.